So today got an interesting one. I'm actually at my place and I just got NBN on. So I'm just going to run a test on the speed here. So I was on ADSL and I was getting between 12 to 15 megabits a second. I pretty much live about 200-300 meters from the telephone exchange. So I'm expecting to get pretty good speed. So let's run this test. There we go. Now we've got sync. So I run a physical test on the line. Excellent. So look at that. So 54 meg and 22. And turn. And max there. So that's what's coming in, but we're only getting this at the router. Pretty good. Noise margin's good. So pretty happy with that. Pretty happy considering I'm paying for 50/20. So yeah, or 25 I think it is. But that's good, stoked. All right, so NBN's working fine. So this is FTTB, fibre to the building. So it actually goes down to the MDF, and then from there it's just using the copper from there. So if you got FTTB, you're going to be doing pretty good because basically you got fibre coming into the building and then it's only copper from the building coming up. So happy days.